Hello and welcome back to Dr. Battery YouTube channel. In today's episode, we will talk about some simple information regarding the shipment of lithium batteries. When batteries are shipped, most couriers request that the company must follow shipping regulations set by organizations such as United States Code of Federal Regulations, Transport Canada, IATA, which stands for International Air Transport Association, and ICAO, which stands for International Civil Aviation Organization. These organizations have strict policies set to ensure the safety of the people who ship, deliver, and receive these batteries and to prevent accidents from occurring. For example, in Canada, Transport Canada sets certain regulations which are based on TDG, which stands for Transportation of Dangerous Goods. Another example is a United States Code of Federal Regulations, which is under Code Federal Regulations CFR 49. Lithium batteries can be sorted into 3 different levels: Section IA, IB, and Section 2. Lithium batteries fall under Class 9 miscellaneous. These 3 levels of batteries require different labels such as Lithium Battery Label, Class 9 Label, CAO Label, which stands for Cargo Aircraft Only, before being shipped. If items do not follow these regulations, they can get confiscated or returned to the shipper, and the purchaser may even be held liable for any accidents that may occur during the shipping process. This often occurs when batteries are purchased from unqualified companies. So, as consumers, how do we ensure that the batteries are shipped properly and safely? When ordering and receiving batteries, it is important that we take note of the regulations and documentations needed, depending on the type of shipping service we use. Here is a checklist. For ground shipping, shipping waybill label, shipping document, lithium battery label. For air shipping, shipper's declaration form, shipping document, UN number, lithium battery class 9 hazard label, lithium battery label, CAO label, which stands for cargo aircraft only. If you feel that this checklist is too tedious, make it simple. Choose to purchase from a trusted brand. Please keep in mind that this is only a brief video informing you of these regulations and that further information is made available on other websites. You may check out the links in the description below. Now we have reached the end of the series. If there's anything else you would like to know about lithium batteries, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching.